welcome back to another challenge video. It's your girl Quona.
I go by Done.
And y'all, today it's going down.
Yes, sir.
So we are about to do a challenge that I saw plastered all over social media, which is the test a soda challenge. Have you heard of this challenge?
I've never heard that in my life.
You haven't? Have you seen it?
I've never even seen it.
Alright, so what people have been doing is they have been like hiding sodas behind a box. So the person who's testing the sodas can't see what kind of sodas they're drinking. And after they test one, they have to decipher what kind of drink it is. So you gotta decide, are these 5 drinks?
Alright.
You think you can do that?
Yeah, for sure. I already know what we got now.
Well, you don't know if all this from the house, first of all.
I'm just talking.
But here's the tricky part.
What's happening?
If you get something wrong, you gotta take a shot.
Oh.
So I put my own little spin on it. I am gonna give you some money for every drink you get right.
Okay, that's cool.
So that's a little motivation to get it right. But it's 5 drinks. Let's do $20 per drink. So $20 every time you get one right, but a shot if you get it wrong.
Alright.
With the money, what can we do with the money?
I can buy me some, something.
What,
I don't know.
$100?
There's a lot I can do with $100. Well, it's really not a lot, because gas, like, $50.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'm glad you said that.
I don't know, man. What
So, since gas is high, can we help one of our subscribers?
Yeah, man. We can do that, for sure.
Alright, so whatever money Don earns is gonna go to a lucky subscriber. So, that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, you ready for this? Danny cannot see what's behind the box. And he's gonna be sipping on some Douce. If he gets it wrong, you gonna pour your own shots? You just let me see him.
Yeah,
So I can make sure, like, you're not, cheating with her.
Sure,
Trying to
yeah,
pour those
sure.
little baby shots. Alright, so what way you want to start? You want to start on my right, left?
I'm gonna start it on the left, Shizzo.
Alright, so that's y'all's right. So let's get it. Let's start.
Yeah, before we get into it though, man, y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm gonna get all these right, man. I already know it.
But y'all never drink soda though. I think you're gonna get the wrong bag.
I'm gonna get all of them right, so y'all go ahead and drop your cash out, man. Y'all finna get some money, man. Y'all finna get this cheese. Okay?
Alright, let's see. Alright, let's do it.
Alright, I'm gonna start on the left. Y'all right. Comment, like, subscribe. Let's get it.
Oh wait, and you only get 2 attempts.
That's code 0 for Shizzo.
Coke Zero?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what that is. Right there, that's code 0 right here, gang. Code 0.
Coke Zero. Alright.
Shizzo.
Alright.
Alright, let's see.
Alright, you get one more attempt now. What does it taste like? You don't know what it tastes like? You gotta swallow it like that. Why are you swallowing it like that?
I don't know what that is, bro.
Let me see.
Hold on. Sprite. That's a Sprite.
Let me see.
That's Sprite right there, bro. That's Sprite, bro. That's Sprite. Sprite, Coke Zero Sprite right there.
Alright, let's see. Alright, next.
Alright, let's see this. Coke Zero, vanilla Coke Zero. Coke Zero, Sprite, vanilla Coke Zero. I'm gonna drink some more of this, bro. I like it. Vanilla Coke Zero, bro.
Alright, so far that nigga got $15, y'all.
15?
Oh, wait, how much I'm giving you? I thought it was 5.
You said 20 a pop.
I thought I said 5.
No, you said a dub.
Alright, so you got $60.
You trying to cheat them.
Alright, dang. Alright.
Bro, this is too easy.
Alright, what's the next one?
I didn't even know we had that. But that's Dr. Pepper.
Bro, you looking in the camera.
Bro, I swear to God, I ain't looking at it, bro.
You're cheating, Daddy, because you
I
don't
promise
even
on
know.
my life, bro. I promise on my life, I don't
You
know.
didn't drink Dr. Pepper, so you wouldn't know.
Bro, I have drunk it before.
A long time ago? When you were little?
No, like, when I was
Man,
young.
alright, that $80, y'all. $80.
Alright, let's see this. When you get a Dr. Pepper? Bro, I got
wasn't it? Like his mouthwash.
Oh man.
Take your shot. 10, 9, 8, 7,
I'm just
6, 5. Alright, take a shot. That's not fruit punch.
That's the only one, bro.
I can't believe you got most of these right.
That's the only one. What is that?
Clear American Peach.
Man, where you get one of them from, bro?
I got it from the store. Y'all, this was okay. I thought Dundee was gonna get them all wrong, really. I thought we were gonna get Dundee a little bit tipsy, but obviously not. We did earn you guys some gas money though. Well, Dundee earned y'all some gas money, so drop your cash outs down below. Make sure you comment. Whoever comments the most, that's probably who we're gonna put in the bucket. And we're gonna choose by, can we just like randomly pull the name based on the comments?
Woo!
Was it really that oh, you know what? You broke a rule.
What?
And I recorded it too. I said when you pour your shot, you gotta show me. You didn't show me.
You looking dead.
I didn't see it. You gotta take another shot.
Man, I ain't taking another shot of that.
You got to, because I didn't see it.
That's the gas, boy.
Gas. Okay, you gotta take another shot.
Y'all
comment down below. I told him that he has to show me. He didn't show me.
Bro, you know trying to take advantage of me tonight.
I ain't trying to take advantage of you. Boy, pour that shot.
Just trying to take advantage of me tonight, gang.
Alright, let's do it. Dang, that's a big shot. Alright, y'all.
Jay-Z. You need to do something about this.
You said Jay-Z?
You need to do something about that. That's that hoe.
That's Jay-Z stuff.
That's that hoe, bro. Just kidding.
You good?
Woo! You should have had that Puff Daddy, bro.
I don't know how to pronounce that, so I couldn't have got that. This was good, babe. We're gonna have to do another one like this. And I'm about to take me one to drink. I guess I'm gonna take vanilla Coke. Alright guys, so we're gonna do this again soon because I think I need to do it now. And you need to pay me for getting them right because I think I can get them right. Alright guys, so thank you for watching our video tonight. Make sure you don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you haven't already turned on your post notifications, make sure you turn them on.
I did this for y'all. I need y'all to do something for me, man. I need at least 50 likes on this video. I need you to give me about 100 comments, man. You get what I'm saying? And I'm gonna shoot y'all that little gas money. You feel what I'm saying?
Little gas money?
Yeah,
that's a lot of gas money.
Hey, yo.
That's full tank.
Comment them cash outs down below so you can get your bread, man. No cap. Watch how we do it.
Alright, so until next video, stay blessed, follow your dreams, and we're gonna see you in the next one.
Let's get it, gang.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power.